Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to arrange two monitors and a laptop. So it is very simple. Whenever we are connecting multiple monitors to your laptop, we need these settings. Okay, you can simply right click, then go to display settings. Okay, here is you can see there is multiple displays. Okay, in some Windows 11 there is a bug, so it you cannot extend the displays by clicking here. So how to do that? It is very simple. You can simply press and hold Windows key plus P, then from here you can select extended. After that you come here display settings. So you can see here there is two displays, but actually there is three displays. Like this is my primary monitor, sorry, this is my external monitors like 1 and 2, and there is my internal display also. So I click here identify, then I can see which is my monitors, and I set that from this one is right side and this one is left side. So we can simply drag and drop from anywhere you need. Some people rearrange this like 1 2 and another monitor from top. So you can simply drag and drop to anywhere like left side, right side, down side, or upside, otherwise top side or bottom side. So you can simply drag and drop this. And also if you are not willing to use whenever you are using two monitors, that setups will be big, so there is a little space you can put your laptop display. Then if you don't like that laptop display, you can simply turn off, which is I do. So go all the way down, then you can go to option of advanced display, click here, then you can see first option, select a display to view or change its settings. So select that, then you can simply select by clicking here your display. Like you can see there is two Dell monitors and one my internal display. So you can simply click that internal display, then you can select this option like remove display from desktop. So stop this Windows from using this display. It will be available only for special purpose apps that you need to use it. Whenever you are using like video editors, you can simply put that external monitor to only this laptop screen. Okay, whenever you are turn on that settings, your laptop display it will be work. This is just you can also working like that. Currently it is blank color, that means turned off the display. Laptop is working and that display only it is turned off. So you need that settings, you can simply click here to turn on the settings. Actually I am using it, and if you click here once again it will be turned off and your laptop display will be turned on, and it is showing here as the third display. So that's guys, in this way I think you got understand what I mean. So that's guys, very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.